Yes, welcome back to Learn and Share. Today, I would like to share how you can quickly create a website in just minutes using Canva AI. Yes, let's get started. If you have not yet subscribed and followed, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the notification bell for more videos. All right, let's get started. Start by opening your Canva. This is the Canva interface, and then you're going to look for Canva AI. You can get it from here and you click here, or you can get it from down here under more options. You go to Canva AI. All right, so I'm going to click on Canva AI, and there you go. So you can design with Canva. You can give it a prompt to design for you a flyer, a poster, a logo, whatever you want. Or you can give it a prompt to generate for you an image, or to write for you a very nice document, or if you want to do some coding as well, it can assist you. So I'm going to get my prompt that I generated also with the help of ChatGPT. This is it. I'm going to ask Canva to create for me a clean, modern, and professional website for an ICT teacher named Faraj. The website should have stylish and minimal design with friendly beginner, like you can see. I'm just going to copy this, transfer it to Canva AI, and paste it there. I've tried to add some details, and as you can see, the purpose showcases an online and ICT courses, digital skills training, etc. With that done, I'm just going to submit, and the magic will start happening. All right. So I've submitted, and we are going to wait for a few minutes, and the Canva will start doing its magic and create the website. As you can see, the coding has begun. Yes, the coding has begun. Let's wait until the end. Coding is still ongoing. You do not have to have any coding skills, maybe any graphic skills. Just use the AI and boom, your work will be done in just minutes. Yes, after some few minutes of coding, now let's look at the results. This is all the code that Canva has generated based on the prompt that we gave it. All right. Now, when you want to look at the website, just uncheck this, and it will give you the results of the website. When you want to look at the code, there you go. If maybe you can copy it and edit it if you want to change some things. All right. Like this is the simple website, and you can also edit this website at a very convenient and easy way. Let's look at it briefly and see how it is. This is a one-page site. The home page, when you click on about, it automatically takes you to the about page. See, very eye-catching. The graphics are very nice. You see the courses are there. You click to enroll. Then you see, we can send the message. Yeah, basically, based on the prompt that I gave it, it has created for me this short simple website, a beginning one, a basic one. Now you can as well publish your site if you want to publish right away and maybe get a domain from Canva, or you can get also a temporary domain from Canva as well if you want to let's say showcase your project to some people. So I'm going to click on use in design. When I click on use in design, I will be able to edit it. If let's say I want to add the picture, I need to use it as a website, not as a presentation. So we click on use in design and click on website. Then you hold on for a few minutes. Your website will be open, and there you go. That's our website. in Canva. So when you need to make any changes, you just double click on the website and you will be able to edit. Let's say I need to edit my name. I'll double click and start editing. You see now I'm scrolling. There you go. Just make it fill the page. And now let me show you can publish your website, or you can go to preview it first. Click on preview, and then you'll have the PC mode here, desktop mode, like you can see, and the mobile mode as well. How your website will be appearing when visited on the mobile phone. All right, so when you want to publish your website right away, you just click on publish website. When you click on publish website, you can pick different settings. So this we shall edit this. Make it maybe for example, or you can get a new domain. If you want to get a new domain, you search for a domain right there. Yeah, you search for availability of a domain, and then you'll buy according to the price that you will have been given. Yeah, so thank you so much, and that's it for today, how you can create a website with Canva AI. By the way, you can also create a website without the Canva AI. If you want to do it manually, you can also do it manually. We shall be learning about that as well. Thanks so much for following, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell for more videos. See you again in the next video.